up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling.
Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be just wearing a wig, something simple for the summer, and you can easily take it off afterwards. So let's get started. So this is a wig from All Well. Their store is on Amazon. This is it. It's like a bob wig. It comes with its own cap right here, its own wig cap. This is the wig cap right here, and this is it. The wig cap is on. It's very easy to install, very simple, no big deal. This is the wig right here. I'm gonna take it off. It's a bob wig right here. Very simple to wear. This is my first time of putting on a bob wig. I think I look different. I'm used to putting on straight wig or long wigs or curly wigs, and this is my first time of wearing a short bob wig. This is Tresemmie's hair mousse. I love it. It is 24-hour touchable, hold and volume. It's awesome. I love it. You see, look at that. See it? I just love it. It's just so unique. I love it. Everyone, this hair is so cool. Hi everyone, you see this hair is so cool. I look like one pretty madam. I mean, it's so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. You can decide to cut it in or leave it this way. I think I like it this way. So maybe some other time I can decide to turn into whatever style that I want. But right now, this looks good. It is just pop on and go. Nothing serious for the summer, nothing too much. And it is light. Until we see again next time. Bye.